Okay, so we just received the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and I'm going to be doing a little unboxing. Looks very neat, compact, small, and also I got the tempered glass for the DJI RC remote controller. So we're gonna carefully open this. I like the way that it was packed, sealed. I got this from Adorama. Let's take a look what's inside. I'm gonna also cut this one. Actually, this one has a little tab to remove the box. Here we go. So put that stuff here. So this is the top. Again, a little tab. I'm going to open this up. So this is the beast. Let's open it up. Listen to this very carefully. Let's take a look. It has a gimbal protector, as you can see. So, alright. And charge to activate. Okay. The first time we will do that later. Okay, very nicely built. So, okay. Oops. We need a elastic band. So this guy comes out. And then we get this nice remote controller, and I'm not sure what is this. Probably the charging cable and the screwdriver, the famous screwdriver. We got here the propellers, and we got here a neat charging cable and a user's manual. It is about, okay, it's not really much there. Thank God for YouTube. Now, I'm going to put everything back. We'll be worried about that later. Here we go. I'm going to put this one here for now. Let's open up the DJI RC remote everybody raves about, and then let's see what's under the hood. So we got probably, it wasn't protected, so okay, so we're gonna take the knobs here. We got like 2 knobs here. And we're gonna mount them here. Those are apparently very easy to lose. Interesting, right? So we're gonna put it here. Right, so it's fairly not easy, and we're gonna have to have our glass protector, and let me see, dust absorber. Where is the they didn't include a pad. Alright, so we're going to use our own pad. Here we go. We're going to get this, clear this, and then we'll be doing a here. And let's take this guy out. There we go. This is the back. Okay. And it's going to be 1, 2, 3. This is the back. Okay. I'm just drop it over, and magically it's gonna come, and magically, hopefully, it's gonna click on it. You see, this side is like. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Here we go. For some reason. Nice and neat. Here we go. So this is completely okay. So what we need to do is now charge it. So we have to put a micro SD, which is on order. We'll be worried about that later. Here we go. Alright, we're all set. And now we can get rid of that stuff. And this so yeah, it doesn't matter in which order. Okay, so we're gonna lift this up like that, and we're gonna open this up like this. We're gonna open like this, then this turns around apparently like that, and then it will turn around like that. Here we go. Alright, so we have the gimbal protector, which is here, and then we have this thing here you need to remove. Actually, we can maybe just remove that. We have to be very gentle with the gimbal. Here we go. Alright. So for now I'm going to just put this one here. Oops. And there is another thing here, remove before use, right there. Which probably is holding the gimbal all together. You see this little tiny thing? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to just leave it alone for now. And I'm going to put this guy here like this. When we transport, we're going to be using this. Here we go. Perfect. DJI, and we're going to have to remove the rear sticker. And we're going to take this one out. And that's the battery that needs to be recharged. Oops. Here we go. It's very light. And here's the inside view. Voila, it's done. We're going to charge this and then we will start flying. Here we go. 249 grams. That's all, folks, for now. We'll see you soon.